We're back, guys. We're going to get the Braum products out. We got a box inside a box. Yes. White harnesses. Oh, I'm so excited. These are going to be epic. I'm so excited for these. They're probably gonna get so dirty, but it's okay. And now it's time for the seats. That's sick. Oh, fuck yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. All right, hold on. Let me get this one and then I'll show you guys. Hey guys, so I have officially unboxed the seats. They are a smidge lighter than I was thinking, but they're still perfect for what I want. So I wanted something that kind of matched the wheels a little bit, which are kind of diluted navy blue. And this is what we got.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day. Daydream.
My Braum seats have arrived. I'm so excited to use them. Let's do a sit test. All right. I am 5'7". I don't know my weight right now because I don't weigh myself. These, so compared to my Evo, both my Evo Recaros, the seat bolsters are lower, so they feel good because, so they're tense, but they're lower, so they feel good. The seat up, the back bolsters feel good, like holding me in place. There's probably only like a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch room there. And yeah, the head right there. So I like these a lot. And it's so funny because I'm not a blue person, but the wheels just kind of called to me with the car, so I had to run with a blue theme. So I'm glad that Braum had these navy blue seats because everyone only has those like bright blue Play-Doh in your face seats. And I'm like, no. And so I was actually considering white seats for a drift car. No, that's a horrible idea. But I was actually considering it. And then I came across Braum from working at Vivid Racing. I had remembered the name, and they had these navy blue seats. And I think this is gonna work out really well. And I got white harnesses for them. And we have a right harness bar for the white harnesses for the blue seats. And I have to cover these seats because the cats are already out. So covered in cat hair in the next couple weeks until I can install them, so I'm gonna have to cover them back up. But yeah, Braum hooked it up. I am extremely thankful that they had everything I was looking for, and I was able to get the seats, the seat brackets. They sent sliders, harnesses, and hardware, and even tow hook straps. So I'm extremely thankful that they were able to get everything I needed. The only things I need left for the Z now are, I am looking for a set of ISR coilovers. If you guys have any used, that would be amazing. But that still probably won't be until another month or two. And then fire extinguisher and the mount. So that'll be coming soon as well. Please make any suggestions. I am open to all because I have no idea what I'm doing with drift car stuff. So let me know. Love you guys. Bye.